here, we're gonna do something that I think might be new for you, which is wrapping your poi like this. So when you wrap it, what you do is you stick your fingers out, you wrap, and then you pinch so that it's shorter. You can wrap around the full hand like this. This is 4 fingers. You could wrap around 3 fingers. You could wrap around 2 fingers. You could wrap around 1 finger. You can wrap around multiple numbers of fingers. You can wrap around multiple times. What's important is at the point, this is from Underhand, what's important is at the point that you wrap where it's the right distance, you pinch it to stop it from continuing to roll. If you started in Underhand butterfly, you could spread it into the circles underhand. So the specific wrap I'm teaching you only works from underhand, not overhand. Spread the hand and then stick the fingers out. Pinch when it's the right distance. You want it on the front, not the sides. So keep it, so you're taking your butterfly and you're spreading your butterfly out on the front. Then wrap it. And when you wrap it, you're sticking your fingers out at a 90-degree angle from your hand. It's gonna look like this. And by virtue of doing that, the poi, which will be on this plane, will wrap around your hand.